everybody. Thanks for joining. I'm Kat Traxler, lead author of the SEC549. I'm here with two of the instructors of the 549, Eric Johnson and
Hello.
David Azar.
Hey, everyone.
Hey, we're just here to unbox the 549 coin for everybody. We all have our coins here. So we just kind of have a big reveal. The audience wants to know, right?
They do.
I'm just going to walk you through this coin here. Let's talk about the head of the coin first. It's pretty distinctive as far as the coins go for the SANS courses. We have an owl overlooking the coin, right? And so when Eric and I were designing this coin, I was very insistent that I really wanted an owl, to represent the course, SANS cloud security architecture, and really like the students as they are, overseeing the cloud architecture in their environments. When I think of an owl, I think of it as having this vision across all sorts of planes and having to have this sort of, wise and calm demeanor. And that's really what I think of when I think of an architect, is having this like centered and calm demeanor, kind of having to ride the waves above everything and see the bigger picture.
And you gave it a name, right?
We don't have a name for it yet. No.
Oh, I thought you used the name for it the other day in the channel. Artie the Architect? Am I not right?
Owly?
Artie.
Maybe that's his name, Owly. Yeah.
Artie. I thought it was Artie. Anyway.
Architect.
Yeah.
Okay.
I love his little pencil in his
Somebody
pocket
used
there.
that in Slack the other day, but I just could be making it up. Maybe I dreamed that. I don't know.
The owl doesn't have a name yet, and we're open to suggestions. But for me, this really embodies the cloud security architects, the demeanor and sort of the presence that they need to be able to oversee, a large enterprise, and to be able to kind of look through, see the forest for the trees, really. Flipping over to the back of the coin here, right? This is really just an homage, just like a hat tip to the architects of building, right? We have a set of blueprints. We have a measuring tape and some pencils, right? This is just a reference to the architectural trade, not only because digital and computer architects really have so much in common with those who are building physical buildings, right? But it's also like an homage to my history. And in a past life, I worked closely with architects, building architects, designing and constructing physical commercial buildings. So this tail side of the coin has a lot of personal meaning to me. People might look at it as just kind of a reference to building architects, which it is. But it's also a, sort of my own personal history and journey.
The compass might be my favorite piece on that side at the bottom.
So what does it take for somebody to win this in one of your classes?
It's been pretty intense so far. I mean, David and we were in Nashville, and they're scoring like it's more game style points. It's almost like a video game, all the lab environments. So I think the winner only lost 1 point and was up there in the high. I can't remember the total, but I believe it's gonna be close to 5,490 is the perfect score.
That's the magic number, huh?
Yeah, I think that's the magic number going forward. So I think the top 5 students, depending on class size and all that stuff, will be eligible to win one.
Yeah, well, pretty intense last class.
Yeah, it was fun to watch.
Yeah.
Well, we're excited to see where you take this course. This coin means a heck of a lot to me, and I'm so happy to showcase it to everybody. Whoever wins one of these, I want to see it up on their socials too. So
Yeah. Get it out there in the wild.
Yep.
thanks for joining us.
See y'all.
Thanks.
Bye.
Bye.